How to achieve a fresh and natural beauty without makeup. Step-by-step tips. Welcome to my channel. Today, I explain step-by-step how you can achieve a natural and beautiful look without makeup. Follow this guide to shine with natural beauty and feel more confident. Step 1. Skincare, a clean and moisturized start. Why it's important. Clean skin provides a healthy glow even before applying makeup. This step protects your skin and emphasizes natural beauty. How to do it. Wash your hands thoroughly with clean water and soap before starting the cleansing process. If you're wearing makeup, use a suitable makeup remover to take it off. You can opt for a dedicated eye makeup remover for eye makeup. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water opens up pores, making the cleansing product more effective. Take a gentle cleanser and apply it to your face with your fingers or a cleansing brush. Spread the cleanser gently over your skin. Apply the cleanser by gently massaging it into your skin. This helps remove dirt and oil from the surface. Be gentle around sensitive areas like the eye area. After the cleansing process, thoroughly rinse your face with warm water to remove any remaining cleanser residue. Pat your face dry with a clean towel or tissue. Avoid pressing too hard, as the skin can be more sensitive at this moment. You can use toner or moisturizer to balance and hydrate your skin. Choose toner for oily skin and moisturizer for dry skin. Natural makeup-free complexion. Choosing a lightweight foundation. Using a lightweight foundation is crucial for achieving a natural makeup-free look. It evens out your skin tone while allowing your skin to breathe. Why it's important. Lightweight foundation enhances natural beauty without the need for heavy makeup. It ensures a smooth appearance without looking overly made up. How to do it. Choose the right shade of foundation. Select a lightweight foundation that matches your skin tone. This will help you achieve a natural look. Apply foundation with your fingers or a sponge. Fingers. Take the foundation with your fingertips and lightly apply it to your face. The warmth of your fingers helps the foundation blend better with your skin. Sponge. Alternatively, you can use a makeup sponge. Wet the sponge with foundation and apply it to your face by tapping or spreading it lightly. Focus on the T-zone and unnecessary areas. T-zone, focus on the forehead, nose, and chin, and apply less foundation here to maintain a natural glow. Other areas, lightly touch areas like cheeks and eye contours that require less coverage. Blend the foundation towards your neck. Gently blend the foundation from your face towards your neck. This ensures a homogeneous appearance of your skin tone. Final touches with a damp sponge. If you're using a sponge, lightly tap the foundation into your skin with a damp sponge. This helps achieve a natural look. Set with translucent powder. If your skin is oily or you want to set the foundation, you can use a light translucent powder. However, use it minimally for a natural look. By following these steps, you can apply a lightweight foundation and achieve a natural, even complexion. Step 3. Eye care, emphasizing brows and curling lashes. Why it's important. Eye care revitalizes the face and highlights makeup-free beauty. Well-groomed brows and lashes add a beautiful expression. How to do it. Use a brow brush to determine the natural shape of your brows. Brush the brow hairs upward to tidy them up and define their shape. Choose brow gel or brow pencil. Brow gel. For a natural look, you can choose brow gel. Select a shade that matches your natural brow color. Brow pencil. If you want a more defined look, use a brow pencil. Again, choose a shade that matches your natural color. Apply the product in a shade, matching your brow's natural lines. Choose a shade with brow gel or pencil that matches your brow's natural color. If some areas of your brows are sparse, add product with light and short strokes to add fullness. Define the outer edges of your brows to emphasize them. Use a brow brush or comb to distribute the brow gel or pencil application, ensuring a natural look. This step helps integrate the product better with brow hairs. Step 4. Natural lips, moisturize and add a hint of color. Why it's important. Lip balm adds a natural shine to the lips and provides a well-groomed appearance. Achieve a natural color without heavy lipstick. How to do it. Choose the right shade of lip balm. Select a lightly tinted lip balm that complements your skin tone. Opt for shades close to your natural lip color. Prepare your lips. Use a lip balm or moisturizer to hydrate your lips first. This helps the lip balm absorb better. Apply the product with your finger or its applicator. Fingers. Take a small amount of product on your finger and apply it to your lips. The warmth of your fingers helps the balm blend naturally. Applicator. If the product has its applicator, apply it directly to your lips. The applicator allows for a more precise application. Define the edges of your lips. If desired, define the edges of your lips slightly to enhance their appearance. This step helps make your lips look fuller. If you've applied too much product or have smudged edges, use a cotton swab or a clean brush to clean up excess product. Gently press your lips together to distribute the product more naturally. Apply a second coat if needed. Step 5, dress and hairstyle, simple and elegant choices. Why it's important. Simple dresses and natural hair contribute to an elegant and chic appearance without overdoing it. How to do it. Prioritize comfort when choosing dresses. Opt for dresses made of natural materials like cotton or linen that suit your body shape but don't constrict you. Monochromatic colors or soft tones are suitable for achieving a natural look. Choosing dress models that suit your body type helps balance your appearance. For example, A-line dresses are generally suitable for every body type. Keep accessories minimal. If you're using accessories, opt for minimalist and natural-looking ones. This could be a small necklace, a bracelet with natural stones, or earrings with wooden details. Choose natural hairstyles. Let your hair remain natural or allow it to air dry without using a hairdryer or curling iron to achieve a slight wavy look. If using hair accessories, such as a crown or hairpins, choose natural and simple models. Keep your hair color close to your natural tones. Instead of drastic color changes, add natural highlights or tones to give your hair a natural shine. Select comfortable shoes. When choosing shoes, opt for models that feel comfortable and natural. Flat shoes or models with a slight heel provide a simple and comfortable look. Smile and relax. Most importantly, enjoy the style you've chosen. Beauty becomes more apparent when you feel comfortable. Smile and have confidence in yourself. By following these steps, you can achieve a natural and elegant look. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video, and until then, take care. Thank you so much for watching.